Hi! In front of me is Alcatel 3T1043, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Firstly, open Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll down and look for location section. Then tap on it and manage location by tapping on this sweater to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!